Welcome to this page of the notes. What we're going to do, same thing we were doing on the last page, we're going to solve inequalities. But now these ones are going to involve a few more steps. They're just a little bit bigger. So here we go. I need to get the variable by itself. What you'll recognize is I actually have two variables, which means I'm going to need to group and combine like terms. So let's go ahead and see if we can make that happen. Remember, I like to keep numbers positive, work smarter, not harder. Generally, we make mistakes when we introduce negative signs, so let's avoid that. In order to do that, I'm going to move the 4w over, and that way my variable stays positive. You certainly could move the 5 the other way, but you're going to wind up with a negative number. We just want to avoid that if we can. So I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. Properties of inequalities says that that is perfectly okay. It is not going to change my inequality whatsoever to do subtraction. So that means I now have 5w minus 4w plus 3 is greater than 9. Well, now I need to move my 3 to the other side. Since it's a plus 3, we'll go ahead and subtract 3 from both sides. Again, subtraction does not change the direction of the inequality, so it is going to stay greater than, and let's rewrite it one more time. Nine minus 3. All right, let's go ahead and put our like terms together. 5w minus 4w leaves me with a positive w, which is going to be greater than 9 minus 3, which should be a 6. That is my first way of writing my solution. This is the inequality notation. Second will be set builder notation. I'll do it right here so that I have room for my number line down here. Set builder notation is going to be the braces. My variable is w, so I'm going to need a w, and my bar means such that. So I'll have all values of w such that w is greater than 6. Close your braces. Lots of little kids like to call them birdies. Whatever. Technically, they're called braces. If you want to call them birdies, I'm not going to freak out at you. And then third, it's going to be the number line. So let's go ahead and throw a number line down here. I'm not going to put quite so many on it. Let's put 6 right here. I need to be everything greater than 6. So we'll add a couple below. There's 5. There's 4. There's 7, 8, 9. We're going to skip a few. Let's say that that's 20 out there, right? Anything bigger than 6. Now the question is, based on my inequality, do I need an open or a closed circle? Well, yeah, I'm strictly greater than, so 6 is not included. I need an open circle on 6, and then we're going to go ahead and shade everything to the left of 6, everything greater than 6. That's everything go in this direction. Put a little arrow on it so that I know it continues to infinity in the positive direction. Well done. Let's go ahead and try another one. I got this one right here. We're going to do the exact same thing. We need to combine our like terms on the same side of the inequality, and then we'll go from there. All right, I'm not going to bother with showing you all the little steps like the Algebra 2. You guys got it. I want to keep things positive. I'm going to move the 4 over again, so I'd have 5x minus 4x greater than. Now I need to add the 3 to the other side, so I have 2 plus 3. 5 minus 4x is going to leave me with an x. 2 plus 3 is going to be a 5. I have all values of x greater than 5. That is my first way of writing my solution. The second one would be set builder notation. There's my brace. My variable is x. All values of x such that x is greater than 5. Close braces, and let's make our number line. All right. I need to be everything greater than 5. That means everything, all numbers that are larger than 5. So 5, 6, 7, skip a few, 100, right? Anything bigger than 5. Let's go a few smaller. 4, 3. Hey, let's skip a few. There's -5 way down there, right? All negative numbers are in this direction. Anyway, here we go. The question is, do I need an open or a closed circle? Yeah, I agree. Since it's strictly greater than, you're going to need an open circle on 5. It is not included. And we're going to go ahead and shade everything bigger than 5. Everything to the left. Okay, that takes care of all the problems on this page of the notes. Head on over to the next page. I'll see you there.